of all, I would like to congratulate all of you who all have cleared their AFCAT examination. The results are out. This time the cutoff has been pretty high, 165. Okay, so all of you who have cleared their AFCAT have really worked hard and they have done well. So congratulations to all of you. Okay, and now that you all have cleared your AFCAT and the CDS result is also it will be coming in a week or so. Okay, so let's get on to preparations towards your SSB, the forthcoming SSB. Okay, so choose your date wisely because I'm sure most of you will be having their final semester exams also lined up. So the dates should not clash, and try to take a date which gives you at least 1 month of preparation time. Okay, no matter whether you are a fresher or a repeater, it is always better to have some time available with you so that you can shift your focus from your academics towards your SSB. Okay, as such I know and I am very sure कि आप सभी लोग physically fitness के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होंगे. Okay, you all must be really working hard, running, gymming, okay, working out. So that is one part. But other than that, now the focus should be totally towards preparation of your SSB. Okay, so as far as your psych test is concerned in SSB, okay, I will be giving you now more tips as to how you should utilize your experience, your knowledge towards giving your best when you go for your psych test. Okay, so that you all know that psych test 4 टेस्ट होते हैं उसमें, TAT, WAT, SRT और SD. So हम TAT से स्टार्ट करेंगे और TAT जो होता है it is a very important exercise or important test as far as psych is concerned, right? So उसमें first and foremost जो briefing दी जाती है आपको वो दी जाती है कि please observe the picture carefully which is being shown to you. Okay, आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाई जाएगी, उसको आपको ऑब्जर्व करना होता है और उसके बाद आपको उस पर स्टोरी लिखनी होती है. Right? So most of the people, most of the candidates who do a mistake is here only. Observe नहीं करते हैं और एक स्टोरी लिखने की जो जल्दी होती है उसमें एक शैलो स्टोरी बना के दे देते हैं. Okay? Remember, ऑब्जर्व करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो 30 सेकेंड के लिए आपकी पिक्चर स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रही है, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली. Pick up all the characters, see what is the mood of the character, see what is the environment, see what clothes are they wearing, and thereafter think of a problem which your hero should be trying to solve. Okay, this much of activity you should be doing while you are observing the picture. Okay, and that is why those 30 seconds are very crucial for all of you. Okay, don't be in a hurry to write the story. Okay, अगर आपने जब ऑब्जर्व किया है और उसमें एक अच्छी प्रॉब्लम आप ढूंढ पाए हैं पिक्चर में, okay, there are lot of ifs and buts in the market. Neutral picture, negative picture, positive picture, nothing. कुछ नहीं होगा उस सब से. Okay, आपकी इमेजिनेशन तभी काम करेगी जब आप अच्छी तरीके से फोकस करके कंसंट्रेट करके पिक्चर को देखेंगे, स्टिमुलस को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे और उसमें एक हीरो को आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करें और हीरो को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद आप उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करें. ओके, प्रॉब्लम जब तक आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे तब तक बिलीव यू मी योर स्टोरी विल नॉट बी अ गुड स्टोरी. ओके, डोंट ट्राई टू fix in your preconceived ideas in the stimulus which has been shown to you. Use your imagination, and your imagination will be working good when you will be trying to pick up a deep rooted problem from the stimulus which has been shown to you. Now why is it important? I will explain it to you why observing the picture and thereafter picking up a problem is important. Okay, it is important because if you pick up a very shallow or you take a cursory glance and you start writing the story. Okay, अगर आप बिना एक डीप रूटेड अच्छी प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई किए बगैर स्टोरी लिखेंगे तो आपकी स्टोरी शैलो होगी, 100% सुपरफिशियल होगी, क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उसमें एक अच्छी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आइडेंटिफाई की होगी, और अगर आपने आइडेंटिफाई नहीं की प्रॉब्लम, तो जो भी आपके एक्शंस होंगे वो बड़े ही शैलो एक्शंस होंगे, उससे आपकी OLQs निकल के नहीं आएंगे। और वाइस वर्सा, अगर आपने एक अच्छी डीप रूटेड प्रॉब्लम कंसंट्रेशन के साथ आइडेंटिफाई की है, नाउ फॉर दैट the solution which your hero will be taking, okay, he will have to perforce, he or she, whosoever is the central figure of your story, okay, he or she will have to take a lot of actions. Okay, now when your hero is taking actions, okay, he will be exhibiting more number of qualities. Okay, so that is why I insist that first thing which you do, okay, you should be trying to pick up observe the picture carefully, picking up all the characters, okay, picking up or observing the kind of environment in which they are, what are the clothes they are wearing, okay, what is the mood of the character, and thereafter you see what can be a good problem in the picture which has been shown to you. Okay, once you are able to identify a deep-rooted problem from the picture which has been shown to you, you will be writing the story which will come out revealing maximum number of OLQs which are there in you. I have already told you, OLQs are already there. In each one of you, all OLQs are there. Okay, there is nothing great about officer-like qualities. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी में है, किसी में नहीं है, सब में होती है. The only thing is that you should be revealing it to the assessors in a way it is being expected out there. Okay, आपने देखा होगा, and the repeaters they must have realized it also. You all come out of the examination hall after writing all 12 stories, all 60 sentences. Okay, maximum number of SRTs being done, attempted, but still results comes out and you are not recommended. And the reason is this only, that your approach towards taking the exam is not correct. Okay, the way you should be approaching or taking on the test is incorrect, and that is why, in spite of you having those qualities in you, you are unable to exhibit it to the assessors there in the SSB, and the results is conference are not recommended. Okay, so try and take on the test in a way in which you are able to exhibit your OLQs, your officer-like qualities. They are looking only for this thing, be it site, be it GTO, be it interview. Okay, all three of them, they are trying to look for those officer-like qualities in a candidate. Okay, and as I have told you, for your TAT, observing the picture makes a very, very important part in writing the story. Okay, 4 minutes which are given to you for writing the story, enough time it is for you to complete your story. I am telling you, if you have observed the picture carefully for 30 seconds, you have been able to identify a hero, you have been able to identify a deep-rooted problem, your story subsequently will come out in a good manner. Believe you me, it will be a good story. Okay, but then your approach towards writing that story should be correct. Okay, how you are going to write the story, I have already covered in my previous lectures. Okay, there are all the guidelines which I have given to you as to how you should write a good story. Okay, but then observing, I have seen in my classes also, I feel and I see that most of the time candidates are in a hurry to write a story. Okay, that should not be the thing. Hurry, you should never be in a hurry to write a story. 4 मिनट में आप एक आराम से अच्छी स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं, बशर्ते आपने ये आइडेंटिफाई करते समय, ऑब्जर्व करते समय एक अच्छी सी प्रॉब्लम उसमें ढूंढी है जो कि स्टिमुलस में दिख रही है, और फिर उसका हीरो आपका सोल्यूशन दे रहा है, हीरो आपका सोल्यूशन दे रहा है, वो एक्शन दे रहा है, और उन एक्शंस के थ्रू आपकी OLQs निकल के आएंगे. Okay, so just keep it in mind. Input from my side is observing the picture plays a very important part in writing the story. I'll keep on coming out with more number of tips. Okay, any one of you having any personal doubt, you can always DM me, okay, on my number, or you can call me also. My details are there given in the video later. Okay, contact me and I will try and help you out in the best possible manner in which I can. Okay. All the best, candidates. Do well. Jai Hind.